Hello everybody, welcome to Creative by Nature. My name is Donna. Today I am participating in the Useful DIY Challenge hosted by Mom from Mom Life Handmade and Tracy Ann from Secondhand Tracy Ann. There will be a playlist down in the description box for you all to check out to see all the other inspiration. So we are to create a useful DIY for our homes, and this time the theme is to include rope. So I will show you what I've created. Let's hop into it. Okay, so for this challenge, what I've decided to do is create some boho decor. I have this Scotch brand sticky back paper. Hot glue, I didn't really want it directly on my glass in case I decide that I want to repurpose the vases for another project. What I have done is just measured out how much of the sticky back paper I needed, and the brown color is perfect. For the taller vase, it was like the perfect height. I didn't want to go any higher than that. And then for the shorter one, I took my measurement and then I cut my piece in half, and again same thing, just wrap it around like so, and it will stick to your vase but it won't leave any stickiness on the surface, causing well, I know sometimes too hot glue can crack your glass too, so I'm hoping that this will just help to protect that surface bit. So then the other supply I have is this grass rope. So part of the challenge is we are to use rope, and I thought this would be absolutely perfect to create a boho style vase for my home to use. And I picked this grass rope up at Dollarama in the garden section. So the garden section is a great place to look for products like this. They carry a lot of different ropes, so definitely hit that section. The other section that would be great is the hardware section. Just really think outside of the box when you're looking for different products. Okay, so the first step is wrapping your paper around the vase, and then you're going to take your hot glue gun and just add a little section of glue at a time just to get yourself started on the bottom, and you're going to just continue to go around. Don't get too heavy with the glue, otherwise it will show. And you're just going to continue to go around like that. Okay, so now I am going to take these feathers that I purchased at my local dollar store, some jute twine. I believe this could be classified as being a rope. And I've got some sticks that are dried and they're fairly straight. And what I'm going to do is use the jute twine and attach the feathers to my branch. Okay, so here's everything that I'm going to be using. Here's the vases and my feathers. And I'm going to be adding some branches. So I'm going to show you all of that put together here in a moment. But first off, I just wanted to say thank you to Mom and Tracy Ann for hosting this challenge. It is a favorite of mine and I try to participate whenever I can. And I also want to say thank you to my fellow participants, and I want to thank you all for joining me here today. If you enjoyed what you see, then please do subscribe. I have lots of inspiration here on my channel. I try to create content that involves nature or nature inspired whenever possible. And if that intrigues you, then please join my community.